How to use Wolfram Alpha for financial analysis. If you are curious about how to use Wolfram Alpha for financial analysis, you are in the right spot. This powerful tool can help you navigate the world of finance with ease. Let's break down the steps to make the most of it. First, gather the financial data you need. You can enter specific queries into Wolfram Alpha, like stock prices, historical market data, or currency conversions. For instance, typing in the current stock price of a company will give you instant results. You can also access historical price charts, which are great for understanding market trends over time. Next, utilize Wolfram Alpha's built-in finance and statistical functions. This is where the real analysis begins. You can perform calculations such as return on investment, risk analysis, and price-earnings ratios. These calculations are essential for evaluating financial performance. The platform also supports statistical functions that help analyze trends and volatility in your data. For those looking for more advanced features, consider integrating with the Wolfram Finance Platform. This platform allows you to automate workflows, making financial analysis even more efficient. You can import data, apply complex financial models, and generate detailed reports. This is particularly useful for financial analysts who need to validate data and communicate their findings effectively. From a study perspective, Wolfram Alpha is a practical tool for students and professionals alike. It provides quick access to reliable financial data and performs calculations without needing to learn complex software. This can save you time and improve the quality of your work. To summarize, here are some key actions you can take with Wolfram Alpha for financial analysis. Retrieve current and historical financial data easily. Perform essential financial calculations with just a few clicks. Analyze monetary trends and market behavior effectively. Use integrated workflows for generating reports if you are using the Wolfram Finance Platform. By following these steps, you can streamline your financial analysis process and make informed decisions based on solid data. Wolfram Alpha truly makes financial analysis accessible and efficient for everyone.